Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play It Takes Two online. This fantastic co-op adventure is designed for 2 players, and you only need 1 copy of the game to enjoy it together. Thanks to the Friends Pass feature, your friend can download the game for free and join your session. This means you can easily team up and embark on the journey without both of you purchasing the full game. It's a wonderful way to share the experience. It Takes Two offers excellent flexibility for playing with friends across different console generations. For instance, if you own the game on PlayStation 5, your friend can join you from their PlayStation 4. The same applies to Xbox users. An Xbox One player can easily connect with someone on an Xbox Series X or S. Just ensure both of you have a stable internet connection for a smooth and uninterrupted gaming experience. This broad compatibility makes it simple to team up. Once you've both downloaded the game, starting a session is straightforward. The person who owns the full game should launch it first and select the Play Online option from the main menu. From there, you'll see an option to Invite Friend. Send an invitation to your friend through your platform system. They will then receive a notification and can accept it to seamlessly join your game, ready to begin your shared adventure. To make your online co-op experience truly enjoyable, a few tips can help. First, using a headset for voice communication is highly recommended. Clear communication is key for solving the game's many puzzles and coordinating actions. Second, ensure both you and your friend have a stable and fast internet connection to minimize lag and disconnections. Finally, remember to work together and communicate constantly. Teamwork is the heart of It Takes Two's engaging gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.